Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa on the stove top. First, measure 1 cup of dry quinoa. It's crucial to rinse it thoroughly under cold, running water for about 30 seconds. This removes saponin, a natural coating that can make your quinoa taste bitter. Use a fine mesh sieve to ensure no grains escape while rinsing. This simple step makes a big difference in flavor. Next, transfer your rinsed quinoa to a saucepan. Add 2 cups of water for every 1 cup of quinoa. This 2-to-1 ratio is key for perfect texture. You can also add a small pinch of salt to the water to enhance the flavor of your finished dish. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, ensuring it's bubbling nicely before moving to the next step. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan tightly with a lid, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Resist the urge to lift the lid during this time. After 15 minutes, all the water should be absorbed, and you'll see small, fluffy spirals. Remove the saucepan from the heat, but keep it covered, and let it rest for an additional 5 minutes. This allows the quinoa to steam and become even fluffier. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. This separates the grains and gives it that light, airy texture we all love. Your perfectly cooked quinoa is now ready to serve. It's a fantastic, healthy base for many meals, from salads to stir-fries. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade quinoa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.